Is that better, Dad?
Yeah, good. Nice and gentle. Oh, no, okay, you got to put it on top of the screw. Set it on there first.
Is that better, Dad?
Set it on first. Wait, stop the trigger.
Stop the trigger.
Okay.
Is that better, Dad?
Hang on, you got to hold on to it with both hands, Deryck. Where's your other hand? Okay, there you go.
Is that better, Dad? I think that's better.
Keep going. Pull it out. So it comes out all the way. Is it out?
Yeah, it's out.
Okay. Now pick it up. Let's put it up where we don't step on it.
Is it going out?
Pull it out. You can do it. You set it over. Good job, Deryck. You want to do another one?
Yes, please.
Okay, right there.
Right there. Take
Now
it
you
out.
hold on with both hands. Hold on with both hands. And hold it up straight. What? Slow down. Go slow. Go slow.
Take it out.
Yeah, but you first got to put that on there. Put the screwdriver on there. No. Set it on there first.
Yeah.
With both hands.
Both hands.
Where's your other hand? Okay, that a boy.
Is that better, Dad?
Hold on. Hold it up straight.
Hold it up straight.
Okay, now just go slow. Nice and slow. Push the trigger.
Don't break it.
No, just push the trigger really slow.
Is that better, Dad?
Hold it up straight.
Is that better?
Did you get it out?
Yeah, I did.
Good job, Deryck.
It's a good thing, Dad.
Thanks for helping me.
Yeah, milkshake. I'm happy about that.
Yeah.
You
You want to get one more?
Yes, please.
Okay, how about these over here?
Is over here too?
Mm-hmm.
We're done with those?
This one right here.
This one here.
Hold it up with both hands. Where's your other hand? Keep going. Keep going. Okay, I think you got it. Pull it out.
That's better, Dad.
Twist it. Twist it. You can twist
Don't
it.
hurt my
Don't
hand,
hurt
Dad.
your hand.
No worries.
No, use your hand. It's out.
It's out.
Yeah,
Dad.
just pull it out. There you go. Good job,
Is that
Deryck.
better, Dad? I
Yeah.
think that's better.
Okay, you got one more and then you're done.
One more, and then I'm done.
Right here. You gotta lean into it, Deryck.
Milkshake, Dad.
Lean in. Don't worry about the milkshake. What are you doing right now? Pay attention to what you're doing.
Is that better, Dad?
Mm-hmm. Keep going.
Coming out.
All right. Tell me if it's out.
It's out, Dad.
Okay.
You take it out, Dad?
Yep. Good job.
is it
Good
done?
job. You're screwing it up. Unscrewing it. Good.
Is it better now?
Yeah. Right on, Deryck.
Right on.
Did a good job.
Where should I put this,
Was
Dad?
Skip helping you?
Where should I put this?
Where should you put what?
The big wrench.
Okay.